Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on eHarmony's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To block someone on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your eHarmony application. The home page of eHarmony's application will appear on the screen. Make sure that you're logged into your account and from the home page, select the person you want to block and tap on it. You will end up on the profile section. Now all you need to do is click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and from the displayed options tap on report profile. From the popped up option tap on remove option to remove the person permanently. This is how you can remove or block someone on eHarmony application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.